this is the part right here that aggravates me to death. Because I lose a lot of stuff. And you gotta keep this right here on hand to put on here, right down here. I'll get you a close up in just a second. But if anyone else has a Briggs & Stratton, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, I spent $14 or $15 and got this. It is an old drain hose. Uh-oh, baby's coughing. Got the baby monitor on. But I got this, and it'll screw in down here. We'll get that done in just a minute. I'm gonna try to clean this off down here. There's no way to get past spilling the oil down here. And as y'all can see, I've got all kinds of stuff. It's part of my ghillie suit. The mice made a nest up here in my lawnmower engine. Alright, got that all sprayed off. And I can't use that old drain hose right now because I have to drain the oil out, of course. So what we're gonna do is, let me see if I can get you a close-up real quick of that where that old drain, where this hooks on. Alright, right here it is. You flip the little cap off and hook this hose onto it. I mean, and then you twist it and unlock it and everything like that. I mean, it's good in theory, but it just makes I've never been able to do it and not make a mess. So we're gonna try to put this new hose on and see how it works. I'll keep this in case I don't like it, which I don't think there's any danger of me not liking it. But let's get this oil drained out. Alright, looks like we're all drained out for the most part. Well, it's still coming out there some. I don't think we're gonna get around not making a mess. Now this is probably gonna make a mess.
Messy, messy, messy.
Before When I get that all the way out, I'm gonna get the thread tape on that fitting, Teflon tape.